हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल टू ITNs। वृंदावन से हम लोग आ चुके हैं आगरा में और इस वीडियो में हम एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं यहाँ का फेमस आगरा फोर्ट को। पूरा डिटेल्ड गाइडेड टूर होने वाला है ये, तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
आगरा पहुँचते ही सबसे पहले हम लोग आ गए आगरा फोर्ट में। ये काइंड ऑफ लाल किला ही है यहाँ का। जाके अंदर देखते हैं क्या क्या है। सुना हो यहाँ से बहुत कुछ मतलब हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है।
तो हमने टिकट काट लिया है, पर पर्सन 50 रुपीज करके टिकट है। आगरा भारत के खूबसूरत हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस में से एक है जो शाहजहां और मुमताज के प्यार के निशानी ताजमहल के लिए फेमस है। आगरा में ताजमहल को छोड़ के और भी ऐतिहासिक जगहें हैं, जैसे कि आगरा फोर्ट, जिसे हम आगरा का लाल किला भी बोल सकते हैं। आगरा फोर्ट को मुगल राजा अकबर के द्वारा 1565 से 1573 के बीच में बनाया गया था, इसीलिए आगरा फोर्ट को किला-ए-अकबरी भी बोला जाता है। द आगरा फोर्ट was officially listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 and it is located around 2.5 kilometers northwest of the Taj Mahal। ये थे आगरा फोर्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ बेसिक से इंफॉर्मेशंस। तो चलिए अब वीडियो को एंजॉय कीजिए। ये है जहांगीर का बर्थ टब जिसमें वे नहाया करते थे।
King sit on the top, queen was sitting inside the town. Other side sitting the VIP person. So this was the dining room. This was the king and queen bedroom. No door, outside curtains. And this was the temple house for Hindu queen Jodhabai. And that's the reading room of Jahangir. So inside the Agra fort red sandstone area which was built by Akbar Jahangir. I will show inside some marble section which was built by Shah Jahan. So now we are going to see summer palace like a natural air conditioning room. This Agra fort more than 435 years old. That time no electricity. So how did the cooling of this place? I will explain here. Come.
ये क्या भाई यहाँ पे बोलते हैं डाइनिंग रूम?
हाँ बता रहा है डाइनिंग रूम.
ये डाइनिंग रूम है ना?
That's a drainage system. During of that time is still working.
ड्रेनेज सिस्टम।
Mughal time this was the natural air conditioning room. So how did the cooling of this place? Surrounding of this place is to keep that open gate and that cross ventilation for the air crossing. If you see size of this wall, so it's a hollow walls. So between the walls is gap. They had upside with water tank. Right side is the Yamuna river. So servant people took water from the river when they fill upside. That water running between the walls surrounding of this place. So that's why this was very cool. And water was going outside drainage system. If you have seen Taj Mahal, you've been similar design in the Taj Mahal. It's a diamond cutting design in the ceiling. And you can see some mark on the walls. That time which was the golden work here, which is all gone. So now I will show inside one magical window. Inside open and outside closed. Still feel it's a windy. Now we can see this window is open here, but we cannot see from outside. Now look from there.
I will click you.
Madam, understand about this? देखा मैडम,
ये एक तरह से स्लोप हो गया जैसे हवा इंटर तो
45
करेगी।
डिग्री एंगल, पता नहीं चलेगा किसी को। ताजमहल आई विल शो यू फ्रॉम हियर। So why we can't see, I want to tell about this bottom part like slide, so air used to get directly down, that's why we cannot see. So now I would like to show you a nice view of the Taj Mahal from here. Raja Mumtaz had 14 kids, he died only 6 alive, 4 sons and 2 daughters. Daughter named Rosanara, Jahanara, they both was unmarried. So it's a palace of Rosanara, you can read her name. It's a made of kind of palanquin, Palki palace.
Yeah.
Exactly similar palace left hand side for the eldest daughter Jahanara.
Oh wow.
So downside of the Agra fort you can see there is 2 more. First one, it's a jungle mode where it is to keep wild animals, lion and tiger. And outside is a water mode, fill up the water where they keep crocodiles and alligators. So nobody could come easily enter from behind. That was the protection layer surrounding of this fort. Now have a look, take your time, then I will show you Shah Jahan. The bedroom of King Shah Jahan Mumtaz. This was the master bedroom of King Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. And look at the beauty of this bedroom, which is totally made of marble. Which marble used in the Taj Mahal? It's called the Makrana marble, which came from Rajasthan, out of state. And that time you can see that some like a mark over here. That time which was full golden work here, the paintings. And corner side the diamond. When the diamond and gold reflections full shining over here, which is fully gone. Because this Agra fort more than 435 years old. And now you can see some ring on the ceiling, that time used by the hanging fan, like a swing fan. And no door system of the bedroom. The outside always covered by the curtains, parda system. So you can see there is the fountain. Now we can see that garden, it's a normal garden. But during the Jahangir time, that was the grapes garden. It's called the Anguri Bagh for the wine. And upside, which was the harem area for the concubine, there was the extra ladies. So we already have seen one palace was there, the Rosanara. Exactly similar palace left hand side for the eldest daughter Jahanara. Now we stay here for some time, take photographs, take video, whatever you want. Then I will say next point, Shah Jahan house restroom, okay? I told you that was the place of Shah Jahan where he was captured by his son. So he couldn't go outside. He used to allow 5 times a day in the mosque for the prayer, for namaz. And he was come back there. So it's a private mosque of King Shah Jahan. It's called the Meena Mosque. But we cannot allow it inside because it's closed. So now we are going to see Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e Khas, which means hall of private audience. I will explain there. Come.
ये मॉस्क है।
So many rooms. During the Akbar time, which was very famous market room, it's called the Meena Bazaar. As a ladies shopping center room, jewelry, clothes, everything was available there. And upside these all are the record room for the ministers, like account section. And down there you can see the beautiful garden. But during the Shah Jahan time, there was 7 feet deep water pond, where they used to keep colorful fish in the pond. Emperor Shah Jahan used to sit in the red arch, white arch, and Queen Mumtaz was sit in the red arch. So king and queen, they would like hunting of the fish by the bow and arrow. It's called the fish pond, Machi Bhavan, Mean Palace. and that building name is Diwan-e-Khas. So Diwan means court and Khas means special. So which means hall of private audience, like a parliament house. So according to the weather, summertime they were discuss meeting inside and winter time meeting outside. So now we can see here is the white seat for Emperor Shah Jahan. That is the black throne for Emperor Jahangir. He used to sit there. That's a black onyx stone. This stone came from out of country, Belgium to Allahabad, then Agra Fort. When king he was sit there was the golden canopy. But in 1803 when the East India came in India, so British people attacked here by the cannonball. They throw the cannonball near of the railway bridge, so cannonball hit that black stone, it's broken. And now you can see there is a small hole in the last heart after cannonball bounce over there.
शाही हमाम बाथरूम। मशाल जलाया जाता था ना।
If you want to see from inside, so take off your shoes out, you can allow it inside. If you doesn't want to, we'll continue next.
क्या मॉस्क है बोला आपने?
Nagina Masjid.
नगीना मस्जिद।
तो वहाँ पे खजाना के बारे में बोलो।
Record room for the ministers। तो ये सब जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये सब ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है।
दोनों साइड ही है ड्रेनेज सिस्टम। एक तरफ गर्म तेल और एक तरफ गर्म पानी छोड़ा जाता था। अगर यहाँ 3 गेट था, 3 गेट को तोड़ करके एनिमीज अगर अंदर एंटर कर जाते थे तो ये चीज़ किया जाता था, ये स्लोप में सारा छोड़ दिया जाता था जिससे वो लोग ऊपर नहीं आ पाते थे।
आज के लिए बस इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं आप लोगों से नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय गाइस।